Hello, today we will guide you through how to calculate profit in Google Sheets. In this quick walkthrough, we'll show you a simple way to calculate profit using a basic formula inside a Google Sheets spreadsheet. This is helpful anytime you want to compare how much money came in against how much was spent, and then instantly see the difference. To begin, open the sample spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Once the sheet is on screen, take a moment to locate the cells or values being used for revenue and cost. Profit is simply the amount left over after subtracting cost from revenue, so the formula you enter will reflect that relationship directly. Next, click into the cell where you want the profit result to appear. In that cell, type the formula shown in the instructions, equals revenue minus cost. In other words, you'll enter the profit formula by subtracting the cost value from the revenue value. This tells Google Sheets to perform the calculation automatically instead of requiring you to do the math manually. As you type, make sure the formula begins with an equal sign. That equal sign is what tells Google Sheets you are entering a formula rather than regular text. Then enter revenue, followed by a minus sign, and then cost. Once the formula is complete, press enter on your keyboard. Google Sheets will immediately calculate the result and display the profit in the selected cell. If the value updates correctly, that means the formula is working. One useful tip is to double-check the spelling and references you use in the formula, especially if your sheet uses named ranges or specific cell values. Even a small typo can prevent the formula from calculating properly. It's also a good idea to verify that your revenue and cost values are stored as numbers, since text entries may not calculate as expected. This method is simple, fast, and easy to reuse. Once you understand the idea behind it, you can apply the same approach to other rows or sections of your spreadsheet to calculate profit across multiple items, products, or time periods. And that's all there is to it. You've opened the spreadsheet, entered the formula to subtract costs from revenue, and used Google Sheets to calculate profit automatically. Thanks for following along, and we hope this helps make your spreadsheet work a little easier and more efficient.